At COS-CF, we're developing a core outcome set for cystic fibrosis, and we need help from the whole CF community. COS-CF is all about choosing which outcomes are most important to include in every study of CF. An outcome is something that researchers use to measure someone's health to see if a treatment is working, and there are lots of outcomes you can use. For example, you can look at how well someone's lungs are working, including their lung function. You could also look at how well a person feels, including their symptoms. And you can even look at how happy someone feels. This would include things like their mental health and well-being. The problem is, we have found that studies often use different outcomes even when measuring similar things. This makes it really difficult to compare and combine the results of different studies to discover what treatments work best, like trying to compare apples and oranges. That's why we're developing a core outcome set for CF, a small number of outcomes that should be measured in all phase 3 and 4 interventional trials, regardless of their specific focus. To figure out which outcomes are most important to include, we've developed an online survey for people with CF, their families, healthcare professionals, and researchers working in the field. For the survey, we've compiled a long list of outcomes which have either been used in CF research before or recommended by the CF community. In the survey, we want the CF community to rate how important they think different outcomes are to be used in every single study of CF. The idea is that after each round, outcomes rated as not important by the majority of the group will be excluded, so the list of outcomes will get shorter and shorter each time. There will be 3 rounds of survey in total, with a month or 2 between each. After all 3 rounds of survey are complete, we will hold a consensus workshop, which is an online meeting where stakeholders come together to discuss which of the remaining outcomes should be included in our core outcome set for CF. Those completing our survey will be invited to take part in the workshop, but this is entirely optional. Take part in our survey today and help us to shape our core outcome set for CF to reflect what matters most. Thank you from the COS-CF team.